we're always doing like, hiring people to do designs, right? For merchandise and stuff. And what's the process like when it's a big company like yours?
Yeah.
And you, obviously it's important this shit's hot, or, if you get just like put designs out that suck, like what's the process like?
Well, the process has changed greatly over the last 20 years due to technology, right? Because now things can be done on the fly. You can get it virtual from people. You can actually print on demand. So you can maybe put up 4 pieces and say, what do you want to see, or a subscription model, or pay in advance for it. So it's much different now. Before, the process was 1 year earlier, you were designing the next year.
Wow, a year.
A year earlier, because what you had to do is you'd have to go to all these countries and buy samples and see what leathers you like, or style or design, whatever case is. Then you finally go over to Asia or wherever you are manufacturing it. Then you have to source all the materials. That takes 90 days just to get the fabrics in. Another 90 days to sew it. Another 90 days to ship it.
Mm-hmm.
Before you know it, you got to have it here in very specific times. You had to have it here. Back to school clothes must be here by July. That's when they start putting it out, and then holiday, and then so it was always timely. Now it's much easier because you can do print on demand and other things.
And you can just be like, send me a bunch of designs. Yeah, because like even like when we have like, I want to do this.
Yeah.
Sometimes they'll be like, here's 15 versions of it. What do you like?
Yeah.
You know, oh, I like this. Let's do more in this direction.
Yeah, and you can source it with a lot of people now, and you can do ways that if their design sells or there's click-throughs, they know the percentage they're getting off each one of their designs. So it's so much more advanced and easier now.
Wow, impressive, man.